Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy favor idea for a children's Charlie Brown or Snoopy themed birthday party. Stay tuned. This is an affordable way to create a custom favor on a budget. The first thing I want to find is a green gable box. You've got a lot of options here, and the one that caught my attention a little bit earlier today, I'm going to try to find it again. Here we go. Okay, this one here, $6.27 for a dozen. And you can't beat that price, and of course you've got free shipping there. So free shipping is always a plus. We're going to head over to eBay, and we're going to look for Charlie Brown Snoopy stickers. Okay, you've got a lot of options here to choose from. I am looking for this one. $3.35 for 25 of these stickers. All right, so far we've spent about $6 on the gable boxes and $3.35 we're gonna spend on stickers to add to those gable boxes. Then on top of this, travel to the dollar store and visit the kids' toy section. So I was able to pick up some little small footballs for boys, and I'm going to add each of the footballs inside of the gable boxes. And of course you can also add some tissue paper, pick that up from the gift section of the dollar store, and then just include it inside each box. And here's a look at the completed project. It's super easy, it's super affordable, and it's certainly something to wrap up the party, keep the theme, and do it all on a budget. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.